So the Vietnam ambassador actually visited Abia State, as part of their way of a working visit to take a tour in the state and bring in more investment. You all know that Vietnam is a good place for business. Anyway, hear the ambassador speak. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.
Trip to a state in Nigeria. In fact, I've been to Lagos, but only for our internal business meeting, because we have a trade office in Lagos, and our trade councillor will be coming tomorrow morning for our meeting with the Puma here, and also Abia Chamber of Commerce, Industry, and Mining and Industry. The reason why we are coming to Abia this time, because we heard much about Abia. Of course, when we are in Nigeria, we heard about Lagos, we heard about Cairo, but Abia, a lot of people, friends, told us about Abia. And just now, I was informed by our friends and colleagues from the diplomatic corps that just now His Excellency, Your Excellency, Dr. just received a delegation from UNDP and EU, right? So I think we have to be here as soon as we can. One of the speakers is Dr. Vietnamese Ambassador.
Let me start by thanking Your Excellency for the decision to visit Abia State and for your very kind words about the leadership in Abia State. The agricultural belt very important because Vietnam is also a society from what you said and from what I know that is strong in agriculture. I want to congratulate you for all the facts that your country participated in and won. Let me also welcome Mr. Dong Min-Fong, the first secretary, the chief of staff, and other government appointees and commissioners that are here, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by thanking Your Excellency for the decision to visit Abia State and for your very kind words about the leadership in Abia State. We can't take it for granted. We are very grateful and we are very happy to have you in Abia. I'm glad that you are spending 3 days. Earlier information I had was 2 days, but if it's 3 days, that's very, very good. Probably will be able to see again before you leave, so that I can hear from you about your experiences going out. And I would also appeal to the team to ensure that they really go around the state. The agricultural belts, very important because Vietnam is also a society from what you said and from what I know that is strong in agriculture. I want to congratulate you for all the facts that your country participated in and won, including the almighty America. And if you weren't resilient enough, you probably not exist today. And that is also who we are down here. not the reach, but we are focused and we are determined about what we want to do. I'm also very pleased to hear all the numbers you read out about trade and the relationships you have with other countries, including Nigeria. The large amount of trade that happened in the last 1 year. I believe that will be multiplied now that you are in Abia State. For the simple reason that I see a lot of areas where we can collaborate and work together. I've always known, and I've written in the past about your foray in the garment and textile industry. It's refreshing to also hear from you that you continue to do well there. Now, Abba, where you will be tomorrow, is also very